Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my dream bag, which is right here, and this is the Saint Laurent tote bag, which I actually I've been eyeing it for months, and I finally decided to splurge and I purchased it, and I've been sitting for a few days in my living room, but I just really wanted to record this unboxing. And yeah, so I got it at Bernie's, and you probably heard that Bernie's is currently going through liquidation, so they are having some sales, and I got this bag on sale because the regular price is, I think, $995 plus tax, so it's, you know, over $1,000 for this bag, but I got it under $1,000 with tax, with shipping, with everything, so I think I got it for a pretty good deal. So this is it. This bag comes without a box. Here you can see the original price, but it comes with a desk bag. So this is it. It's like a perfect size, and I already have a tote bag. I mean, I guess you can call it a tote bag. It's a Longchamp La Pliage large bag, which I love, and I had it for like over 5 years, and I've been using it every day, but I wanted something, you know, something new, because I had it for years, and I was just like looking at our tote bags, and you know, this one just was like perfect. So I also considered Cuyana tote bag, but I went to Cuyana, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's Cuyana. Cuyana? I'm not sure now. But it's a pretty, like, nice minimalistic brand. They sell leather goods, and they also have a tote bag that looks pretty similar to this one. It's a little bigger, and the leather is not as smooth as this one. So when I went to their store to check out the bag, I just didn't really like it. It didn't look as good as on pictures online. And then I went to Nordstrom's to check out this tote bag, and it was perfect because it's still textured. Even though the leather is pretty soft, it's still textured, so it keeps the shape, and I really like that. Okay, let's see what's inside. You get another dust bag. That's interesting. And okay, so that's it. You also get this kind of like you know, pouch, wallet. You can also use it as an evening bag. It's just, you know, attached to your purse, so you know, it's harder to steal. And I actually had an incident a few months ago. They stole my wallet from my bag, and I had everything in my wallet, like literally everything, like my credit cards, my debit cards, my ID, cash, gift cards, my keys to my apartment, to my garage, to my car. So they stole my wallet with everything, and it was such a pain to like get everything back. Actually, with credit cards, it was the easiest to get them back. I think they sent new credit cards within a week, and they flagged charges as fraud. So I got my money back, but you know, I couldn't get my money back for, you know, the gift cards or cash, and obviously I also had to change locks, and that was very expensive. It was $200 to change locks. So yeah, and then I had to also change my keycard to my car. So yeah, it was just a lot of work, and I was like, I don't want a wallet anymore, because like people steal it again. So I actually got a separate pouch for like important stuff, and my credit cards are just in like a little, basically like a card holder type of wallet. So now I feel like it's just working out for me. And I got rid of keys like permanently. I don't have keys anymore. I just have my phone. I use August lock, so that's why I was really excited to get this with this tote, because I'm gonna keep, you know, my ID here and you know, important stuff basically. I don't carry cash anymore or gift cards. I only carry credit cards. So, you know, in case I'll get robbed again, hopefully not, you know, it's not gonna be such a pain to replace everything. But yeah, this is pretty nice. And what I really like about this bag is that it's very minimalistic. It doesn't scream like, you know, oh, a designer brand like Louis Vuitton. I feel like it's a little too loud for me. So I think this is perfect. Like literally, if you're gonna carry your bag like this, no one's gonna know that this is a Saint Laurent bag. Like literally, it's so classic. It's so beautiful. It's such a nice quality too, and it's just really nice. But if you want to show off, you can just do this. Wait for it. It comes with like a little keychain emblem. So if you want to show off, like, you have the option. I actually got a Kate Spade tote, which is very similar to this one. The only thing which I don't like about that bag is that the inside leather is in a cream color. So it just gets very dirty easily. So that's the only thing, because it's pretty much the same texture too. It's as soft and as textured as this one, and it's also very minimalistic. Just the only thing is that there is cream interior, and I hate that. So I love that this is black interior. You won't be able to see scratches or, you know, any dirt, you know, so this is very nice. So my only concern about this bag was that there's no zipper. This is literally like, you know, you put your stuff inside and that's it. You know, it's a pretty big bag, so I doubt anything will fall out. But, you know, if someone wants to steal something from your bag, like, they can just put their arm in and take out whatever they want. But I do have Longchamp Pliage bag with a zipper, and to be honest, I never use it. I always leave my bag open, and even though I have the zipper, I only use it like on an airplane when, you know, I zip my bag and then I put it under the seat just to make sure that nothing will fall out. But that's probably like, that's it. Like, that's only when I zip my bag. So I actually like that this bag is open, because I like to have easy access to all the stuff, and, you know, all the important things that you want to keep secure, just keep in this pouch. Or, you know, I'm also thinking about getting a Cuyana tote organizer. I'm not sure if it will fit in this bag, because it's supposed to fit, you know, the Cuyana tote bag, which is taller. I think it's the same width and depth. It's just a little taller, and I think a little more deep. So it might not fit this this tote, but we will see. I'm just gonna go to Cuyana store and try it on. If not, I'm probably not gonna use it anyhow. I don't use any organizer with my Longchamp work bag, so I probably don't need it, and I'm just gonna keep all the important stuff in this. So I think that's gonna work, you know? I mean, I thought about it. I thought about this purchase for months. I really want to make sure that this is the bag I want. And after considering all the other bags and, you know, calculating, do I really need it? Like, do I really want to spend that much money? I was like, yes, I still dream about this bag. So I was like, this is it. And, oh my God, it just looks so gorgeous. Like, I love this. It's beautiful. So I'm probably, if you want to see, of course, let me know in the comments, but if you want to see like a full review, I can do a full review in like a month or two after using this bag every day. I'm just gonna, you know, use it mostly for work. So yeah, I usually like carry a lot of stuff, like my laptop, my camera, and my lunchbox. So I needed like a bigger tote bag that would fit everything, and I think this is just perfect. Oh, Love it. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.